How to fix Google Play Store services has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store services has stopped on Android phone. First open settings and now click apps and then apps again, and here type Google Play, and here we'll find Google Play services. Click on it and then just click force stop, and now go to storage, clear cache, and after that just go back and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, open Play Store and force stop, and now storage, clear data, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.